Hi friends, if you have already watched many videos regarding Shutterstock data licensing but it's still not clear whether it is good or bad or what to do, then in this very short video I'll explain it clearly for you, so please watch till the end. Now, what is data licensing and contributor fund? I have already made a detailed video how data is generated, how it can help you, how you can earn from it. That is already done. You can watch the link in the description and get to that video before watching this. Now, once you have understood what does eligible for data licensing actually mean, whether it is good or bad, well, it lies in between. The best thing is if your photos are approved for sale, means then you will be able to directly sell those photos to some client and you will generate direct income or commission. When they are rejected, it's already rejected, you need to rework on them and need to re-upload them. But the problem lies in eligible for data licensing means your photos do not meet the technical quality standards of Shutterstock. So, but they're not that bad either. So Shutterstock is not directly rejecting it, but they are distributing it under the category of eligible for data licensing, so that some beginner might get a false sense of gratification. Okay, my photo is eligible for data licensing, but that is actually bad. It means you need to improve your photography much more. I have got detailed videos how you need to prepare your photo, how you need to shoot your photo in order to make them ready for Shutterstock. You can watch my guides. I will link them in the description. But just as a beginner, note this: if you get eligible for data licensing, it means you need to improve your photos. One thing you can do, you can simply delete those photos from your approved photos from your portfolio, and then you can, data catalog, and then you can re-upload those images by improving some technical aspect, and you can see whether they are directly approved for sale or not. Well, if not, then I would suggest you please focus on improving your photography. Rejection is a part of the journey, but note this: for us beginners who started 4 years back, there was only approval or rejection, so we learned the hard way. But now, since many beginners are getting eligible for data licensing, it's giving them a false sense of security that my portfolio is building up. In reality, it is not. Those photos will never show up, they will never sell, they will never generate a consistent income. They might generate some contributor fund every 3 monthly, but that is very low, and we still do not have any way to understand what photos are contributing to what type of income, right? So it's very essential you focus on improving your photography. You please see to it that maximum photos should be approved for sale in your portfolio. In that way, you can generate a consistent passive income. So if your confusion is clear regarding data licensing, so please type the code word "thank you" in the comment section, and I will know you have understood the concept of eligible for data licensing as a beginner, and I request you to improve your photography. And that's it for today. I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, bye and take care.